Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And the question I got asked is, what are the options I have for sharing a Google Doc from one Google account to another Google account? And I thought this would be a great use of a video. So a couple things to know up front. If you go to My Drive, you do not have the ability to share that in any way at all. If you look at any folder that you're on, if you right click on that, you have share. So I can right click on any folder and I have the ability to share. Additionally, once I'm looking at My Drive, I can right click over here, anywhere on any object in here, and I have the ability to share. I can go to a document down here, right click, and I have the ability to share. Additionally, I can click on any object, folder, anything I uploaded into Google Drive, whether it's a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, an image, a video, whatever I put in here, I have the ability to right click on that and I have share. So share happens anywhere below My Drive, either over here on the left-hand column or over here in the big list. When I click on any folder here and bring that list up, again, I can right-click and share. Additionally, I can click on any object and I go over here and I have a share button here as well. So those are two places, right-click and open up share, or highlight the object you want to share and click the share button on the left, or excuse me, on the right. Additionally, if I open up a document, let's open up this clearing Gmail search history. So you can see by default that this is private only to me. No one else has access to it. But if I click on that, now what I have the ability to add individuals or Google groups so that they can have access to this file. So I've put in Teddy Burris here, my Burris Consulting account. Now I can make Teddy an editor. I can make Teddy a commenter only, or I can make Teddy a viewer. Editor, he has the full functionality, access to the document to change it in any way he wants, including share it with others. Commenter, all he can do is highlight specific areas and then add comments on the right hand side. Viewer, all he has access to is the ability to view the document, the sheet, the form, the slide, whatever. Okay, so I can leave Teddy as an editor, and then I can give him a message and say, please edit this, and send. Now Teddy's getting an email over in his account. Let me go over to his account. And here's the email he just got that says you have access to this document, and he can open the document up. And there he is editing the document right now. He'll fix this typo and make it a lowercase r. Now let's go back to the account that owns the document. And by the way, you can see that Teddy just changed that r. You can see right here that Teddy's in the document right now. So those are the share options. Now, a couple more share options you can see. By the way, if you look right here, you'll see that that little share is shared with one person. So if I click on that, it's shared with Teddy Burris at burrisconsulting.com. Now let's go down here and look at this one. Restricted. Only people added can open with this link. Well, the people added is this T.L. Burris at Burris Consulting. But check this out. I can click on that. It's restricted. Only the people added can see it. And it tells me right here, Teddy Burris. But check this out. I can go to anyone with the link can view this document. But check this out. This is very important to understand. If I go to editor, anyone on the internet with this link can edit the document, whether they are signed into a Google account or not. Doesn't make any difference. Anybody with the link can open it up. It'll open up in Google Docs and they can edit it even if they don't have a Google account. Same thing with commenter. Anybody who has access to this document through this link can open this document up. It'll open up in Google Docs for editing, and but they're a commenter, so they can only add comments. And the last feature for anyone with the link, same thing as sharing it directly with people, is that I can make them a viewer. They can only view the document. Now, just another thing to pay attention to: if I hit done, and I hit the sprocket right here, I can say editors can change permissions and share it. I can turn that on or turn that off so they can't change permissions and they can't share it. Additionally, I can say viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. I can turn that off. So if I only want them to see it, but not edit it, or not download or print or copy it, then I can turn that off and all they can do is see it. So those are a couple options regarding sharing. And once I've added the people I want to add, changed the link and made the link and set up in the way that I want it to be set up, then I get done, I hit the done button. And now you can still see it's shared with one person, but again, I can go back into that and I can take that and remove it if I want to. And now it's no longer shared with him, so he's not going to be able to open it up. Save this when I'm done. And those are my options. Again, regardless of them being a Google account or not, the share functionality applies to the document. But one more thing, how can I move this to another account? Let's add Teddy Burris back in here. Let's make him an editor. Let's send that. Let's go back over to his account. And you can see I've regained access to it. Now, I have the ability to change it in any way I want. If I want to own a copy of this, a couple things I could do. One is I could add a shortcut to it to my drive. The shortcut will only apply as long as the original owner is sharing that document with this Google account. And or now, as long as the original owner gave me permission, I can make a copy, and it's going to save a copy of this Google Doc into my Google Drive. So the original question was, how do I share it with another Google account? The answer is the same whether or not it's a Google account or not. When you share it, you have the ability to share it for anybody to be able to edit, view, or comment. And you have to pay attention to who you're sharing it with so that you don't leave a document shared with someone or leave it unrestricted so that you lose control of this document. Again, I go back to Drive, and you can see, I'll hit refresh. You can see that document right there is shared with others. So if I click on that document from here, click on the share button. You can see it's shared with Teddy Burris. I'll remove that. And you can see only people added can open this document. So it's restricted right now. It's only visible to me. Hit save, and that share icon goes away. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace, Gmail, strategist, trainer, and coach. Practice sharing documents so you understand it and you get it to work well for you. It's a great way to collaborate using Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Forms, and Slides.